Working on a 2018 GMC Canyon, 3.6 liter. Check engine light is on. Just scanning it with my Launch C-Reader Professional CRP123. Put some links down in the description below for this scanner. It's a great little scanner. Been happy with it so far. Read codes. Coolant thermostat. Coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. 1 of 3. Coolant thermostat. Coolant temperature below threshold. Below thermostat regulating temperature. Coolant thermostat coolant. It's all the same. P0128. Customer stated that the check engine light came on, and it's on right there. 78,343 miles. He's also stating that the temperature gauge never got above 160, and that the fan is also running when the engine is shut off. So let me take this thing around the block, see if I can get the fan to come on, show you guys what that is. And then I'll show you how to change out the thermostat in this sucker. the new thermostat back in place. One thing I want to show you, this is going to be tips and tricks on how to do this a little bit easier, because it was kind of a pain in the butt. All right, so right here, right there, there's a little bolt, holds like a coolant line on. I took that out to give me a little bit more room, because this front bolt on the passenger side was a little bit difficult to get in there and get it into place. All right, but once it was into place, I just took my two hands and reached one finger over here and one finger over there and my two hands and just spun the bolt down into place. That rear one right there is really easy to get to. All right, to break that bolt loose, right there in the middle, that one right there, right in the middle of the screen, I actually took a 10mm wrench the first time, got on there, and broke it loose. That's how I was able to break it loose. And then I came in with a 1/4" 10mm ratcheting, or what do you call it, swivel, 10mm swivel to get that thing loose. What else? I got the new gasket that goes onto the housing for right here. Here is the housing I took off. There's a gasket inside there, right there. I went ahead and I picked it up from GM when I was at the GM dealership. 12649985 is the part you need for those of you who cannot read. But yeah, just take your time. This is a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be, but at least I didn't have to take off the upper intake manifold to get it out. Just take your time when you're putting it back in. You have a rubber hose right here that you have to clear. Just push that up out of the way and drop it into place. So there you guys go. If you guys have any questions or need any help, you can email me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. I will try to help you, but it's not all that hard to do this. At least I didn't have to take that off, right? If you can, if this has helped you guys save money, subscribe to Bundys Garage. It helps me and my family out. And I will talk to you guys later. One thing I also wanted to share with you is when you guys try to put these back on, don't install this dry, okay? You can get silicone paste like I have here, silicone grease. Put a little bit of dab on here, or you can put WD-40 on your finger and wet this up. Same with this side right here, and it'll install that much more easy when you guys put everything back together, all right? Because if you try to put this in dry, you're just going to fight it, get pissed off, and end up chucking this thing out the window.